Hey guys, today we're going to talk about one of the best, if not the best, meme coin trading bot. So if you're into crypto and if you're into meme coins, I believe this trading bot will maximize your gains. And if you don't believe me, actually the project I'm going to talk about today has over 100,000 people waiting to get in and use it. But of course, for my viewers, I got special deal. You can use my link in description, cut the line and start using it right now. Also get 10% on all the fees. So guys, subscribe and let's jump in straight to the video. Today I'm talking about BullX meme coin trading bot. This is actually a really great, I would say, project that offers almost every tool you need to start trading memes and also to have edge over other traders. That's why I'm super excited about today's video. So first of all, of course, use the link in description and jump into the platform. Next up, like with any other platform or trading bot, we have to fund our profile. And what's great with this platform, they're multi-chain. So you can see right here, if you click on this button, you can see we have chains like Ethereum, Binance, Base, Arbitrum, Blast, and Solana. And from my experience, this is the only bot that offers multi-chain support. And I think this is why people are waiting to get in and start using it. So let's fund our wallet right here. We have the wallet image. And now let's click add funds and we have to select what chain do we want to use. So again, you can use Ethereum, BNB, Base, Arbitrum. For this example, I will use Solana because I still believe that Solana has the biggest meme coin community. And also there is lots of money to be made with Solana meme coins because of course you saw the Hippo. I talked about it in my past video. There's lots of tokens still reaching hundreds of millions of dollars, which means there's money to be made for the traders. Next up, if you want to send the money to your wallet, just send the money to this wallet using the exact chain you picked. So for this example, I picked Solana. So let's go to the Phantom wallet, paste in our wallet from the BullX profile. So let's click Solana. Let's send Solana. Again, paste the wallet and let's send something low for this demo profile. So let's send like $15. Let's click next. Send, and now just wait for the confirmation and for the money to appear in our account. This should be super quick. So you can see right here in our profile, we have 0.1 Solana. So great. Now we are ready to start using all the features and tools this bot offers. So first off, let's go to our menu. And we have all the different options. So first one we covered, we have different chains. After that, we have all the different new pairs. So let's click here. Right here, you can see all the new tokens, all the new meme coins launching live. Again, this is really great because they aggregate all the tokens in one place. And of course, if you're a trader, this gives you advantage. You don't have to look everywhere. You don't have to look on Twitter, Telegram. For contract addresses, you can find it right here. This way, you can also buy these tokens faster, cheaper before everyone else, before the big announcements. And of course, you can make more money this way. That's why I like bots like this. Also, we have different filters to filter out projects. So you can actually hide Pump.fun project. You can select some of the safety and security features. For example, LP burned or top 10 holders are holding the biggest amount of the tokens. So you can just select all of these things and filter out to see what kind of projects right now are on the safer side. So this could be one of the options to use this bot. You can find new tokens first, get these tokens are extremely cheap before everyone else, and of course buy it yourself and sell it once more people find out about it. Next option, and the fun one, is let's jump in back to the menu. We have Pump Vision, and this is where you can find all the Pump.fun and also moonshot coins. If you've been in crypto and meme coins, you probably know about these platforms. These are launch pads for the meme coins and they are extremely popular. But again, they are super high risk. And these bots will help you, again, filter out different projects. Also, you can see when the developer bought and sold. So you can actually mitigate the risk and pick out your winners. And again, with all this information, you get advantage over traders just clicking on the Pump.fun website. That's why I think this is a platform you have to use if you're serious into meme coins, altcoins, and if you're serious in making money long term. Because if you're clicking manually, you're losing money, you're losing time, and you're losing people who are using tools like this. So again, let's jump into the filters and we can select again moonshot tokens, Pump.fun tokens. And actually right now I'm more bullish about moonshot tokens. And actually I plan to do a full video about moonshot platform, how to find the meme coins, how to make money with these platforms. So guys, subscribe because there's gonna be more content about meme coins. I'm gonna share my personal meme coins. And also we have free Telegram in description and top comment where we talk about, again, different ways to make money with crypto and meme coins. So for example, right now, I'm not a big fan of the Pump.fun tokens because there's lots of scams. So I want to see new creations from the moonshot. So let's go to filters and filter out all of the Pump.fun tokens because I just want to see the moonshot. And of course, for me, this is personally really great because I can see all of these tokens in one place. I can compare them to see what's hot right now in the market and select my winners. Also, I can buy them quicker and faster using the bot than just putting the contract address into radio. And now let's jump in and check out some of the tokens and how it looks when you want to purchase them and what kind of information you get. Again, so let's jump in to explore. We can actually explore all the different tokens. We can explore the trending tokens, gainers, losers, and recent. So let's go for the trending and let's check out Clark because I'm seeing it all day. And right here, we have a chart similar to the deck screener. We have all the information, but what's really great, you can see right here in the start, you see the developer movements. So you can see the developer bought the tokens for $229 and he sold these tokens for $1,700. So the developer made $1,500, but now you can see the developer doesn't hold the tokens. Again, this is really important information when you're deciding to buy or sell the token. So you can see the developer is out. So now you know that the community controlled this project. Again, this is really important. And actually the project managed to do pretty good numbers. It's still trending. It's not going crazy. But so far from this chart, if I'm doing just a quick glimpse, I think this is a 50-50 project. Doesn't look that good, but without developer, you can see they managed to do pretty good numbers. And we have this new bullish movement kind of forming. Again, looks pretty good. And if you want to purchase, again, it's really easy. Market buy, select how much, or you can use limit buy. Same goes for the sales. Again, this is really advanced bot offering advanced features. But if you're into meme coins, altcoins, you have to learn all this stuff. You have to have all this information before you do your decisions. That's why I believe this is a really important video and an important tool for all the meme coin and these smaller cap token traders. Next up, we have automation. So I can actually automate your trades. You can have your portfolio to see all the different tokens you hold. And what's great, they also have an airdrop. So you can see right here, BullX is planning a big airdrop. And if you use my link in description, you're getting a multiplier on your airdrop. So guys, if you plan to use it, you have to use my link first of all, because you cannot use it without my link. Next up, you're getting multiplier and also getting 10% discount on your fees. I think this is a no-brainer platform. And again, if you have any questions to me, you can ask me in the comments. But the platform also has the academy where you can actually see all the different videos and tutorials how to use this platform and how to maximize your performance when buying small coins, small caps, and meme coins. So guys, thanks for watching. All the links in the description. Don't forget to subscribe. I'm going to be talking more about meme coins, altcoins, everything you need to know about crypto and trading. Thanks for watching. See you next time.